Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to warm your voice up properly for singing. Now, the way I want to do it is I don't want to bore you with some scales and telling you what exercise you need to do on a certain scale, because warming up the voice is simply getting it ready for singing, getting those muscles down there to be not so stiff anymore and actually elastic and ready for work. Now, what I want to share with you today is my favorite way of warming up the voice. You can do it anywhere you are. You can do it in a car. You can do it before a show. You can do it anywhere that you are, and it's not loud. It works on all the parts of the voice, and it will get you ready for singing. So what I like to do is I like to start really low in my speaking voice and my vocal fry. So if you go to like mum 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 mum, and you go into this nice relaxed vocal fry and stay for a little bit in that very mellow low place of your voice. Mum 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 mum. Without any tension, without any pushing, without anything, just allow your voice to be in there. And from there, you can start exploring other parts of your voice. Chest voice, head voice, mixed voice, however you want to call that, full voice, high notes. You can do whatever you want, starting from that very relaxed, very soft, very mellow place. Just doing some very nice sirens, starting in that vocal fry coordination with your vocal cords nicely connected and carrying it over into your head voice and down. You don't need to go crazy with the range. It's really not about that. We are making the muscles do some work and get them into a state where you are ready to sing. And everywhere in between, your vocal cords remain connected and your voice just very nicely glides. You can land on a certain note in between. And work on that a little bit to find some nice vocal cord closure. Don't try to control your voice too much. Don't be a control freak when it comes to your voice. Let it do its thing and let it glide up and down and be itself. We are absolutely not going for perfection here. We are just warming up the voice. Nobody's listening to you. Nobody can hear you. So it doesn't matter. You're warming up. And at some point, you can start focusing on certain notes along the way, finding that more solid kind of chord closure where the tone becomes full. And actually start working on your full voice high notes, but in a very gentle, not loud, and very thin way. We are not muscling through the sound. We are not pushing. We're not doing anything of the sort. We're just warming up the voice. Now, because we are not focusing on any kind of pitch, we're just doing slides up and down, then you're not going to reach for notes because we're not going for any particular note. You're just doing it in your usable range. There's no need to reach. There's no need to push. There's no need to do any of that. And so you're not going to bust your voice even before you start singing. All you're going to do is get the muscles to work and actually warm the voice up. Now, of course, the vowel that you use for that is your choice. You can switch it up. You can use different vowels. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that it's not forced and you're simply getting your voice in shape to be able to then go into actual full singing mode with confidence and with a very nice feeling to the voice. What you're going to find is that after a warm-up like this, your voice feels really ready to go and it feels really light. It feels really almost thin, like you can do it's bendy, it's like rubber. You can do a lot of things with it after you warm up this way. The benefit of starting in vocal fry and then carrying that quality to the rest of your voice is that it really becomes effortless. All the singing becomes so easy. And remember, we are really keeping the volume low here. We are not going for any kind of yelling, screaming, pushing, nothing of the sort. We are simply allowing our voice to do whatever it wants to do. And like I said, stop trying to control your voice at all cost. Let it do its thing. It might flip, it might break a little bit, doesn't really matter. We are not going for forcing anything upon our voice in this warm up. So I hope this was helpful for you. Definitely give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you liked the video. And like I said, this can be used anywhere. You can do it at all times, and it is great at getting the voice in shape for singing. I'll see you next time.